See this example. The image on the left, you see that this blue color of staircase is overpowering the other areas. Similarly, the image on the right hand side, where although the red furniture is very small as compared to the white walls all around, but look at the contrast. Here red is attracting us, so it is again dominating the white area. Harmony. Harmony is the visually satisfying effect of combining similar related elements, while unity is achieved by consistent use of lines, color, material or texture within a design. Now see this wall. Here harmony has been achieved. How? Here harmony has been achieved by using rectangular shapes for all photo frames. These random size of rectangles have been used harmoniously so that this look united. Now unity. For unity, consider this example. Here similar shades of brown has been used. Although the shapes are different, but the color is same, that is brown. So as a whole, the whole rhythm is a unifying movement characterized by a patterned repetition or alteration of elements in the same or modified form. Now, see this example. Here in the image on the left, you will see that these vertical slits are moving in a flow. That means they are moving in a pattern from small to large size, then again they are becoming small. Similarly, in the other image also, these cuts all are moving in a pattern. So this is rhythm. Scale. Scale refers how an item relates to the size of the room, whereas proportion often refers to the shape of an item and how it relates to the other things which are kept in the room. Now look at this image. In this image, the width of the room is high. So the designer has provided here luxurious sofas. The sofas are also big in size. So these sofas are in perfect proportion with the width of the room. Look at this image now. In this image, this lamp is overpowering the sofa. Here, the lamp is conical in shape and lighter in color, whereas sofa is darker in shape and comparatively shorter in size. So here the scale and proportion is completely different, unlike in the previous image. Congratulations everyone. So you have almost finished the module 3. So now there will be a quiz 2 and an assignment.